Welcome to the JPRO Professional Training Series. This series teaches technicians how to use JPRO's basic features and resources. JPRO is Norgon's in-shop diagnostic and maintenance application for all makes and models of commercial vehicles. Unlike OE software that focuses on a specific component or system, JPRO is an aftermarket tool that simultaneously diagnoses all components. This gives technicians all the information and features they need for diagnosis and maintenance functions from a single diagnostic connection. First, technicians can view all fault codes and vehicle issues with enhanced descriptions to better understand what issues are currently affecting the truck. Next, JPRO gives technicians the ability to conduct bi-directional tests or send vehicle commands. This includes turning systems on or off, commanding a reset, or otherwise determining if a vehicle component is responding or functioning correctly. Join us for the rest of this training series as we teach you how to connect and diagnose a live vehicle.